Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the RSI in MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go to Insert, Indicator, and choose this one, Oscillators. Now go to Relative Strength Index. So this is the RSI. Click on it. We have here period. We have 14. You can choose any period you want. You can type, for example, 20 or 200 or anything. You can change its color if you want from here, the type of the line, and the thickness of the line from here. We have here levels. We have here 30 and 70. Most of the people use these two. If you want to change it, you can just click on it and change it from here. Or you can add another level if you want by typing it here. Okay, as you can see. If you want to delete a level, just click on it and click on delete. Also, we have here the color, the type, and the thickness here. Okay, after you finish, click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our RSI. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.